A decade-old murder case was back in front of a Tampa judge today. Colin Maloney is pushing for a new trial 8 years after he was convicted of killing his wife. But Maloney claims she died by suicide, and he blames his former attorneys for mistakes that he says cost him his freedom. This morning, a judge heard new evidence in the case that a jury never got to hear. And Fox 13's Gloria Gomez tells us about that evidence.
Convicted murderer Colin Maloney is back from prison and demanding a do-over. In 2015, he was convicted of killing his wife, Felicia Maloney, but he blames his two former attorneys, seen here in court, for sealing his fate. Investigators say in March of 2012, Colin Maloney strangled his wife to death and made it look like she had taken her own life with this cord.
He tells them his wife is on his knees, her knees when he saw her, and he tells them twice that she had a cord in front of her face.
However, prosecutors say the evidence doesn't support a suicide by hanging. But Maloney says his lawyers never challenged the state's theory, especially with its defense experts.
Yes, I do.
Like with Dr. Elliot Stern, a forensic structural engineer. This morning, he showed the judge a physics-based simulation he created using calculations and the body's kneeling position as it was discovered. The simulation explains the marks on Felicia Maloney's neck using the physical evidence, something the medical examiner couldn't explain during the trial.
It can now be ruled out that this is a hanging in the manner which I just described here.
But prosecutor John Terry tried to challenge the doctor's findings and his expertise.
And you're not a medical examiner, correct?
I have no medical degree. I only have done medical-related research, but I'm not a medical doctor.
Maloney also told investigators his wife had a history of depression and addiction, but the jury never got to hear about it. Question now is, will a new jury get to hear it? A judge will decide soon. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
Another hearing is scheduled for next month. The judge is expected to rule once testimony wraps up.